Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you, come along and see it's true.
Alright, welcome back everyone to Season 7 of Surrem. Today we're going to put a new battery in for the new season. So the first thing we have to do is uninstall the old battery. Let's get that done. Okay, let's get the new battery installed here. It took me a couple tries. The first time I stood it up and it was too tall obviously to fit underneath the seat, so I had to lay it on its side for this battery to work. And as you can see, the mounts will work either direction. So let's get the bolts installed now. And as you can see on this side, I struggled quite a bit to get everything lined up properly, but just left all the footage in there for you to watch. And the final thing is to put the strap in to hold her down while riding.
Fireflies, a million little pieces.